In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the old toilet seat and replace it with a new one. For this job, all you need is a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. This is a very common toilet seat. So in 90% of cases, you're going to have similar toilet seat. So all you need to do is go to the back of the toilet seat, and you will see these two parts here at the back of the toilet seat. Now you need to use your fingernail and lift up the cap. You see the cap comes off easy, but if you can't use your nail, you can use your screwdriver to just, there we go, came off. The other side, there we go. And now, as I said, you need a flathead screwdriver. That's all you need. You can unscrew. You see the bolt here? It's a plastic bolt, and it's a plastic nut is holding it right here at the bottom of it, right? So all you need to do is unscrew this one. You might not even need to hold the nut from down below, but if you need, just put your hand and hold the nut, or you can even unscrew it from down below, right? The nut, but you can just go with the screwdriver from the top, unscrew the bolt, the plastic bolt. You see, it just came off. There we go. And the washers are still there. So if you need to, your new toilet seat should come with the bolt, plastic nut, and washer and everything that it needs. Let's go to the other side, do it from the other side as well. As I said, you might not even need to hold the nut from down below. All you need to do is just unscrew the bolt. But in some cases, if you need, you can just hold it from down below, or you can hold it with a screw. Hold the bolt from the top with the screwdriver and do it from down below. Both are the same. There we go. So this is the nut removed. There we go. So now that the toilet seat is removed, I have the bolts here, and I have the nuts here in my hand, plastic bolt, plastic nut. Something funny that these washer sort of things, there are two holes in here. These two washer sort of things comes with this toilet seat. And whoever installed this toilet seat at the first place, they put these washers wrong. And let me remove them. There we go. 1, 2. You see these two washers sort of thing that goes inside the hole? They put it from down below, versus these one supposed to go from the top like this. So you see that even maybe an apprentice did it, or someone who didn't know, maybe the contractor himself did it and they didn't know how to do it, right? But anyway, these washers are properly placed now. So all I need to push the bolt inside. There we go. Okay, now I have the bolts placed into the holes, and I have the nuts to tighten from down below. So let's tighten them, not all the way though. You just go, okay, if you can see, I'm doing it from down below. There we go. I don't need even a screwdriver for now. So let me tighten the other side as well. There we go. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way. You see there is a play, because I wanna lift up the lid of the toilet seat, and I wanna make sure, you see how it is? It's not aligned, right? One side is off and the other, you see that's off. Look at this. This toilet seat is not properly like aligned with the toilet. So all I need to push it a bit to this side and pull it a little bit forward. In worst case, I can hold it like this to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now I can tighten the bolts, the plastic bolts, using a screwdriver. There we go. Or you can do it from down below, right? You can hold it from the top or hold it from the bottom and do that. There we go. It's super tight now. So I can place the caps back in. So this is a very important step to, when you're tightening it back, don't tighten it all the way. Make sure you leave a little bit play, because you need to lift the lid up and align the toilet seat. You see it's perfectly aligned now. If you look at the different angles, you will see that it's perfectly aligned, right? And then you can tighten it all the way. Now it's super tight, it doesn't go anywhere, and the new toilet seat has been installed. Thank you for watching. I hope this video been useful. If so, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for my future videos. Thank you.